Hello everyone, welcome to this SAP UI5 course. In this series, we are going to learn SAP UI5 from scratch with real world examples. By the end of this course, you will be able to build full enterprise level application. So in today's video, we are going to understand what is SAP UI5, how UI5 application works, and we will create our first UI5 application using MVC pattern. Okay. So now first, what is SAP UI5? SAP UI5 is a JavaScript framework used to build enterprise web applications. It is mainly used in SAP products like Fiori apps. Okay, so in simple words, I would say it is a toolkit to create beautiful responsive web applications using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so SAP UI5 has many powerful features like responsive design, MVC architecture, data binding, OData integration, and many more. Okay, so the best the best part about UI5 is it is very easy to learn. If you follow this complete series of video step by step, you will not only understand SAP UI5, but you will also be able to understand like to able to build real world applications confidentially. Okay, and definitely by the end of this series, you can become an expert in SAP UI5. So stay tuned and let's start this journey together. So now let's not waste our time and create our first application. Okay. So I will just open my BAS. Okay. So we are going to write our code in Business Application Studio. So you have to just open BTP Cockpit, go to instances, and after that you have to click on the BS. Okay, SAP BS. So I've already opened it here. Okay, so now once you came here, so you will see like blank screen. So what you have to do is just click on these three dots, files, and then click on open folder. Okay, so in the open folder, just select this will come and then select the projects. Okay, once you select the project, click on OK, and it will bring you to the projects. Okay, it will be projects, and then you will see empty here. Okay, so now we have to create our first SAP UI5 app, right? So just do a greater than symbol and search for open template wizard. Okay, just click on this one. So once you click on this one, it will give you like different types of generator. So here we need to select SAP Fiori generator. Okay, so I will just select this one. I will just click on start. Okay, so now I need to select basic here. Click on basic, and then it will ask me for the data source. For as of now, we don't have any data source, so I will just select it as none. Okay, so once you are done with this, just wait for a second. Click on next. This is our view name. I will tell you like where we so basically this is nothing but a MVC structure here. Okay, so now we need to give our first view name. So I can give my first view. Okay, I will just click next here. So this is our name of the project. Module name is nothing but name of your project, and then this is the title of your project. Okay, the title of your application. So I will just write it as first app. Okay, so you have to wait for a second. Then in application title, I will just give hello world app. Hello world app. Okay, so now just scroll below a little bit more. Okay, just click on add deployment configuration and SAP Fuel Launchpad configuration. I will tell you all about this one in our next sessions. Okay, so just click on next. So it will ask for the target. So for us, like it is Cloud Foundry, not a BAP. Yeah, okay. So let it load first, and then I will just select Cloud Foundry as a target. So Cloud Foundry, and it will ask for the destination now. So we need to pass it as none. for the time being, and then yeah, it will automatically take. And our router module is nothing but the managed application router. Okay, so this is the standard one. So just click on next. So I will just give first obj action. You can pass anything here. Okay, create, let's suppose, and title is hello world. Okay, and then I will just click on finish. Okay, once you click on finish, your project will come here. Okay, so now you will see these many things. So this is our web app basically, and these are the different files. This is empty.yml. This is the main file of your project. I will discuss about this late in the later videos. Okay, and then we have UI5, YAML, deploy. So this is where we have the deployment configurations and all. So now, without wasting our time, let's go to the web app folder. So here you will see this is our MVC structure. You will see MVC, M means model, view, and then controller. Okay. In the model, you can create a number of models here. Okay. JSON model or data model. There are different types of model. So we will come to that in latest videos. And then in controller, so in controller, you have to write your JS code. Okay, so you can see this is my first app controller.js file. So this and view will be having the same name, same file names. Okay, so this is our by default. This is our by default code that came with the template. So it is nothing but it's a like you can upload sorry, you can install your libraries here. Okay, so and then you can use it like this one. These are the functions of controller class, so you can use it like this. Okay, so on it is nothing but, so let's suppose at whenever your application will load, right? So at the time of loading, if you want to do something, so that code will go here. So let's suppose I want to do console.log hello loading, something like that. Okay, so it will be so, and if I write something here, like if I create another function like press or something, so that will come like this is the first thing that will be displayed on the screen. Okay, if I go to this function, inside this function if I go, then it will take more time. Then like it will come after this only. Okay, whatever will be there. Let's suppose console.log I put press function. So in the UI, when you run your application, so first hello loading will be come on the console and then press function. Okay, this is how the output will be. Okay, so now without wasting our time, let's so this is our view folder. So here we are having our view file name that we gave in the while creating the template. So these are our so this, if you see, this is attached with your controller, nothing but this file, right? So we will write our JavaScript code here. And so what you can think it like, this is our HTML file and this is our JavaScript file. Okay, both are separate. So now we can pass events from here, like functions and whatever. So we can call it here, but we have to declare it here. Okay, we need to write our definition and all in this file. Okay, so now let's create one button, and on click of that, I want to display an alert box. Okay, and uh, yeah, so in that will give you some message. Okay, so let's suppose I will just go with button class, button id equal to pt1. Okay, so type that will be text equal to hello button one, and then I want on press, I want to run on press function. Okay, so basically I will just copy. So this is our code basically. Okay, so now I have to write one function on this, right? On press I want to alert, so I will go to this file. I will just write on press, then this will be my code function, and inside this function I will just write hello my first UFF application. Okay, so now what will happen when I run this application? So I will see one button. Okay, that will be having a text as press button. So once I click on it, the pop-up will come, like alert will come with the hello my first UI5 application. Okay. So now to run our UI5 project, you just need to click on this one, your project name, open in integrated terminal. Okay. And then just simply write npm start. It will automatically create it will automatically open one tab for you like this one. Okay. So let it load. Yeah. If you can see, so this is my button. So let's click on this. Yeah. See, hello, my first UI5 application. Okay. So this is the code. This is the only lines that we have added. Everything was by default. Okay. So guys, this was our first SAP UI5 application. And in the next videos, we will understand MVC architecture in more detail, lifecycle of UI5 app, and what is how data binding and what is data binding and how it works. So these all topics we will cover in our next application. Thank you.